is going down in a major way. So look, we're gonna cook up some potatoes. We got some sweet onions, and we got a green pepper, and we got some olive oil. And you know what I'm saying? We're just keeping it healthy. You heard me? All 2025. And so we're gonna give it a quick stir. But pretty much I put some Tony's in there, put a little cayenne pepper in there, got the organic extra olive oil. I put a little soy sauce in there. Sometimes all you got is all you got. We're gonna make it happen, baby. So we're gonna pick up that load, boom, we're gonna run right back down south. You hear me? Look at that, look how good that looks. Look at that. Look how good that look. Woo! Oh, I should have been a chef. I used to work in the French quarters. Look how good that shit look.